Okay, you can type your attendance now. Then, what are the properties we have learned today about rational numbers? First one was associativity under four operations, and then role of 1 and role of 0, also reciprocal.
Negative of number.
Yes, negative of a number. Is it? Are you all clear about that? Okay. Then our eighth property is distributivity of multiplication over addition for rational numbers, which is given in your textbook, page number 12. For that, I am choosing three rational numbers that was given in your textbook as minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, 2 by 3, and minus 5 by 6. Okay, then I have to find minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. Did you see it before? This format? Yes. In your previous year, you have learned how to open this bracket and how to find its solution. You have learned about that, okay? Okay. Then, how we can find this answer? In first way, we can find the answer as first finding the sum of 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. Is it? Yes, that is minus 3 by 4 into, inside the bracket, we have 2 by 3 and minus 5 by 6. We know that both the rational numbers have different denominators. That's why we have to find it. We have to use cross multiplication, right? Yes. Then what would be the denominator? Denominator should be product of 3 and 6, which is 18. And what about numerator? Here numerator is 2 and here numerator is minus 5. Then the numerator is 2 into 6 plus 3 into minus 5. That is, first one is 2 into 6. 2 into 6 plus second one is 3 into minus 5. 3 into minus 5. And the denominator is, what is the denominator? 3 into 6. That is 18. Clear? Then this can be written as minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 6. What is 2 into 6? It is 12. Yes, it is 12. 12 plus, what about 3 into minus 5? It is minus 15. And our denominator is 18 itself. Clear? Yes. Then the answer should be, here is our minus 3 by 6 as itself, minus 3 by 4 as itself, minus 3 by 4 into what is the sum of 12 and minus 15? What is the sum of 12 and minus 15? Here, largest number is 15. So we have to put a negative sign and it is minus 3. Is it? Okay. Then it is minus 3 by 18. Okay. Then after this, we have to find this product. For that, we have the numerators as minus 3 and minus 3. Then the product of numerators would be, what's the product of minus 3 and minus 3? What is it, Sean? Product of minus 3 and minus 3. Please unmute and say. Sean.
Yes, miss.
What is the product of minus 3 and minus 3? It is?
6.
It is the product, not sum. It is minus or plus. Okay, that's why it is plus 6.
Minus 9.
It is plus 6 because here we are multiplying two negative integers. 2 is an even number. Okay. So it is 6 by, what is the product of 4 and 18? 4 and 18. What's it? Please multiply 18 with 4. It is? How it is?
72.
Yes, it is 72. Then our result should be 6 by 72. Then I am going to find this answer in a different way that you have studied earlier. That is minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 can be written as is equal to minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6. Is it? Is it? You have studied this way earlier class. Do you remember? Anybody? Anybody?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then we can write it as here we have to put a bracket. Then what would be the answer? It's equal to, what is the product of minus 3 by 4 and 2 by 3? Here this multiplication. So we have to multiply both numerators and then both denominators. Is it? Yes. Then the denominator would be product of minus 3 and 2, which is minus 6. And the denominator is the product of 4 and 3, which is 12. Is it? Yes. Then add this with the product of minus 3 by 4 and minus 5 by 6. Here we are multiplying both negative rational numbers. That's why our result should be a positive. So the numerator would be the product of 3 and 5, which is 15. And denominator should be the product of 6 and 4, which is 24. Clear? Okay. Then how we can make this denominator of minus 6 by 12 That is, the denominator of minus 6 by 12 is 12. How to make this 12 as 24? How to make it? It just
12 into 2.
12 into 2. Okay, very good. When we multiply this 12 by 2, the same change, that is, the 6 should be multiplied with the same 2. Is it? Okay. Then, what is the product of minus 6 and 2? It is minus 12. And the denominator should be 24. And we can add this with the 15 by 24. Then what should be the answer? Now we get denominator should be same. And then we have to add the numerators. That is, numerators are minus 12 and 15. What is the sum of minus 12 and 15? It is minus 12 is minus 12 is the largest number? No, 15 is the
No.
largest number. So we have to put the positive sign. So the sum of minus 12 and 15 is 3. It is plus 3 and divided by 24 because here is the denominators are same. Is it?
Hmm.
Yes. But look at here. Is 6 by 72 and 3 by 24 are same?
No, miss.
No. Why? Can you make this 6 by 6 by 72 as 3 by 24? Can you make this? Just a second. You can look your textbook. There is the same question solved. That is, for that, first they have written minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. Is it? Is it? Look at your textbook, page number 12. Okay. Then the answer should be minus 1 by 2 and the other answer is also minus 1 by 2. Is it? Is it? So what we have to write, it is minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6 equal to minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 4 into minus 5 by 6. LHS and RHS should be equal. In same way, we have to check the two questions that given in your textbook, page number 13, that is try this. Can you see that? Okay. Then that should be, you should do this as your homework. That is page number 13. Try these questions. Find using distributivity. Okay.
Okay.
What is our distributivity? What's our distributivity? If A, B and C are any three, if A, B and C are any three rational numbers, then according to distributivity, A into B plus C is equal to what? A into B plus A into C. Is it? Is it? Do you have any doubt? No. Okay. In the same way, we can replace this plus sign by a negative sign. That is given in your textbook, page number 13, in a side column as A into B plus C and A into B minus C. Here we have written A into B plus C. Now we have to write A into B minus C, which is equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay. Anybody? Please unmute and say, do you have any doubt? No. What about others? Sridev, Alan, and Maria. Do you have any doubts?
No, miss.
Okay. What about Anne Maria?
Miss, അത് മനസ്സിലായില്ല മിസ്.
മനസ്സിലായില്ല. അതല്ലേ ചോദിച്ചത്. അതായത് നമ്മൾ എ ബി സി എന്നിവ ബി മൈനസ് സി വരുമ്പോഴാണോ മനസ്സിലാകാത്ത മോളെ? ആണോ? അതായത് നമ്മൾ എ ഇൻറ്റു ബി പ്ലസ് സി, അതെന്താണെന്നറിയാം? എ ഇൻറ്റു ബി പ്ലസ് എ ഇൻറ്റു സി എന്നറിയാം. ഇനി നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്? ഈ എ ഇൻറ്റു ബി പ്ലസ് സി അല്ലേ, ബി പ്ലസ് സി. ഈ സി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ആണെങ്കിലോ ഇവിടെ എന്ത് വരും? ബി പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് സി. ഇസ് ഇറ്റ്? ബി പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് സി. Then what will be the product? Then it will become A into minus C. Is it? Is it? Then it is A into minus C. A into minus C plus A into B. A into B. Clear? Clear? Okay. Then what is A into minus B? What is A into minus B? Okay, don't worry. I am writing this in the similar order as we have written in above. That is A into B. I think that should be confusing. A into B plus. Are you okay now? Okay. Now we have written in the same format. Here A into B is written as same. That is A into B. Then what about A into minus C? When we multiply a positive integer with a negative integer, the result should be negative. Is it? That is, it is minus of A into C. Is it? When we have a positive and a negative sign come together, it should be a positive or negative. We can replace here this by negative. Is it? That
Yes.
is, here we can write is equal to A into B minus A into C. A into C. Here is also negative and positive sign are come together. That's why here we can write A into B minus C. Okay. So from A into B plus C, we can write A into B minus C as A into B minus A into C. That we have right here. Clear? Okay. Then you have some examples and solutions are given in your textbook, page number 13 and 14. Did you see in it?
Yes.
Yes. What's the example 3? Example 3 is to write the additive inverse of some number. We have said what is an additive inverse? How we can write additive inverse of a number? Another name for additive inverse is negative, is it? So first question is minus 7 by 19. Then what is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19? It should be, we have minus 7 by 19. So its additive inverse should be which number? Which is 7 by 19. Why? The reason is in your textbook. That is minus 7 by 19 plus 7 by 19 gives the sum 0. That's why we have to say that 7 by 19 is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19. Okay. Okay. In similar way, what is the additive inverse of 21 by 112? The second question. What is the additive inverse, Alan?
21.
കേട്ടില്ല ഒന്നും കൂടെ.
Minus 21.
Is it minus 21 or minus 21 by 112? Which is? It is minus 21 by 112 because their sum become the because their sum is 0. You can see in your textbook there is solution. Okay. Okay. In same way, you have some questions, example 4 and example 5. You just read them and do their calculation in your notebook. Okay. Which questions? Question number example 3, example 4 and example 5. Among them, example 3s we have already discussed. Okay. Okay. And after that, there is also exercise 1.1. You should do this exercise 1.1 as your homework. For that, the first question is, using appropriate properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. I just explained how you can find the answer. Okay. For finding the answer, you have to use some properties. What are the properties we can use there? What properties? Our question is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 into, 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Is it? Is it your first question? Yes. Then we are requested to use some properties for finding this answer. Is it? Which properties we can use here? First, I'm going to group minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 together. That is, which is equal to minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Is it? I'm just grouping them together and we have 1 5 by 2 remaining plus 5 by 2. Okay. Do you have any doubt? I'm just grouping them together. Then using a plus a into b plus c property, which number can be opted out from minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6, which is the common number? Which is the common number here? Here, 3 by 5 is common among both these two terms, is it? So, using that property, I have to write 3 by 5 here. And I am putting bracket here for minus 2 by 3. And we have chosen 3 by 5 here. That's why a minus sign is here. That we can put for 1 by 6, which is minus 1 by 6. Is it? Is it? Okay. Then here is a 5 by 2 remaining. Are you all clear this writing? Clear? If you have any doubt, please ask. Hijaz, are you clear? Okay. Shreya, what about you? Okay. Anne Maria? മനസ്സിലായില്ല. Okay. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഏത് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയാ യൂസ് ചെയ്തെന്നറിയോ? I'm just writing here, that is a into b plus c. എന്താ a into b plus c? What's it? What is a into b plus c? It's equal to a into b plus b into c. Is it? Is it? Yes, that we have studied earlier. Using this, I am just writing this. Here, for A, I have chosen 3 by 5, and in place of B, here is minus 2 by 3, and in place of C, it is minus 1 by 6. Is it? Then it's AB into BC, that is A into B, minus 3 by 5 into 2 by 3. This is A into B, plus A into C is 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. That is minus 3 by 5 into minus 1 by 6. I am just interchanging this negative sign for 3 by 5 and 1 by 6. Is it?
Yes.
Ipo clear ayo? Anne Maria, clear ayo? Allen? Sean? Okay, that's fine. Then, using this, I'm going to write which is equal to എന്ത് എഴുതാം 3 by 5 ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട് 3 by 5 and what about inside bracket? Here is minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6. What is the sum of minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6? It is, how we can set this denominator as 6? And Maria, how we can write this denominator as 6? By multiplying 3 by? And Maria, can you hear me, Anne Maria? Yes. Then how we can make the denominator of minus 2 by 3 as 6? Multiply it by 2. Okay. Then multiplying this 3 by 2, we have to multiply this 2 also. So we can write it as minus 4 by 6. Is it? Is it? Minus 4 by 6 plus minus 1 by 6. And our plus 5 by 2 is also there. Then it's equal to 3 by 5 into, what should be this? Here denominators are same, then we have to add the numerators. Both the numerators are negative, then we have to put a negative sign, and the sum of 4 and 1 is 5, which is minus 5 by 6. Is it? Okay, then we have to add this 5 by 2. Okay.
Okay.
Then now we have to multiply 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6. What is its product? Numerators are 3 and minus 5. Then it is minus 15. Numerator would be minus 15 and denominator should be 30. That is product of 5 and 6. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Then we have to add this 5 by 2 along with them. And we can change this minus 15 by 30 as minus 1 by 2. How? How can we change this minus 15 by 30 as minus 1 by 2? Because 15 is the multiple of 30. Is it? Is it? 15 30 യുടെ multiply അല്ലേ? അതെ. 2 times 15 is 30. That's why I'm right. Minus 1 by 2 instead of minus 15 by 30. Okay. So minus 1 by 2 plus here is a 5 by 2. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. Then what would be the answer? Here denominators are same. So we have to add the numerator. Numerators are minus 1 and 5. The sum of minus 1 and 5 is plus 4. Is it? And the denominator is 2. What is the value of 4 by 2? What is the value of 4 by 2? Alan, what is the value of 4 by 2? I think Alan is not here. Shown. It is 2 itself, is it? So our first question is over. That is exercise 1.1. And the first question was to find the product using some properties. We have used the property of A into B plus C here. Is it? Like
Yes,
this
miss.
way, you have to find the remaining answers. Okay.
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 Miss,
Yes.
Miss exercise 1.1 fully ചെയ്യണോ?
മുഴുവൻ ചെയ്യേണ്ടതാ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറ്റുന്ന അത്രയും ചെയ്തോ. ഡൗട്ട് ഉള്ളത് എന്നോട് ചോദിച്ചാൽ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. ഡൗട്ട് വരുന്നത് പ്രശ്നമൊന്നുമില്ല, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരും. പറ്റുന്ന അത്രയും നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുക സ്വന്തമായിട്ട്. നമ്മൾ ഇത്രയും നേരം പഠിച്ച പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ഇല്ലേ, കുറെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് നമ്മൾ റാഷണൽ നമ്പേഴ്സിന് പഠിച്ചില്ലേ, അത് വെച്ച് ചെയ്യേണ്ട സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് എല്ലാം ഉള്ളത്. ഡൗട്ട് വരുവാണെങ്കിൽ എന്നോട് ചോദിച്ചാൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പോ എപ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? നമ്മുടെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ട്യൂസ്ഡേ. ബൈ സൺഡേ ചെയ്തൂടെ? ബൈ സൺഡേ നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടിയില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മൺഡേ ഞാൻ അതിന്റെ നോട്ട്സ് എന്തായാലും ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഇടാം, എക്സസൈസ് മുഴുവൻ. ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ?
Okay, miss.
ഓക്കെ. ദെൻ ഇന്നെടുത്തതിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? കുറെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ് ആണ്, മേ ബി കൺഫ്യൂസ്ഡ്. ഒന്ന് പെട്ടെന്ന് ഓടിച്ചു നോക്കി പറഞ്ഞേ, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോന്ന്.
മിസ് പേജ് നമ്പർ 12 ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ടീവ് ഓഫ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഓവർ അഡീഷൻ
ആൻഡ് സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ
റാഷണൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ്, അത് എനിക്ക് മനസ്സിലായില്ല.
Here rational numbers chosen as A, B and C, not A by B form. Here A represents a rational number which is maybe of the form P by Q. Okay. That's why we are writing A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. AB is written instead of A into B. Okay. That is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C is written as AB plus AC. A into B തന്നെയാണ് A B എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ. A into B യും A B യും സെയിം ആണ്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് അതങ്ങനെ എഴുതിയത്. ഓക്കെ അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. Then any other doubts? ഇല്ല. Okay, then you can leave now.
താങ്ക് യു മിസ്.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
miss.
Okay. Okay, bye.